Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks for the best MP3 players on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Timco MP3 Player. The Timco MP3 Player with Bluetooth is an all-in-one audio and video solution for any music fan. Featuring a crisp 4.0 LED backlit widescreen with IPS technology, this MP3 and MP4 player delivers a visual feast with its 720p and 1080p high-resolution video that plays smoothly. The full-touch design makes it easy to operate and use. You won't miss a beat, as this Bluetooth MP3 player can connect to any Bluetooth wireless headphones, speakers, and car stereo. The device also has a powerful music app that provides 6 kinds of song sorts, 4 playing sequences, 8 types of EQ presets, a search function, and even a sleep timer for convenience. Number 2. iWorth MP3 Player. The iWorth MP3 Player with Bluetooth 5.0 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, portable music player. The newest and fastest Bluetooth 5.0 technology allows for fast data transfer and a more stable connection, meaning longer connection distances, less power consumption, and longer battery life. This MP3 player also supports most audio formats, like MP3, FLAC, and more, giving you a truly incredible sound experience. This music player is an exceptional choice if you are looking for a lightweight and feature-rich portable audio player. With its cutting-edge technology, supreme sound quality, large storage capacity, and stylish design, it has everything you need in a digital music player. Number 3. SanDisk MP3 Player. The SanDisk MP3 Player is an excellent choice for a lightweight, stylish personal music player. Its deep, rich sound quality and multiple audiophile formats make it incredibly versatile. Its built-in microSD card slot offers additional storage space, and the FM radio lets you listen to your favorite stations. The battery life is exceptional, up to 18 hours on continuous playback of 128 kbps MP3s. It also has a clip on the back so you can easily attach it to your clothing or bag. The player is simple to use with its intuitive color display and comfortable one-click navigation. This music player is ideal for music lovers who want to take their tunes with them wherever they go. Number 4. ActTech MP3 Player. The ActTech MP3 Player offers users a great way to enjoy music, videos, and other media. This player has everything you could want in a device, including wireless Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.43D curved screen, lossless sound quality, and multiple functions like FM radio, voice recorder, photo browser, and more. The audio quality of this MP3 player is outstanding, as it features a professional digital noise reduction chip that offers pristine sound clarity. It supports various music formats such as MP3, WMA, APE, FLAC, etc. Though it doesn't keep audiobooks or iTunes directly, it still has many other useful functions like photo browsing, ebooks, with only TXT format support, alarm clock, calendar, and more, all with a built-in speaker. Number 5. Heafy Walker MP3 Player. The Heafy Walker MP3 Player is an incredibly versatile high-resolution audio player. It features a 2.0-inch H display and distortion-free hi-fi music support. Bluetooth 4.2 supports high-definition wireless audio, which means you can enjoy up to 10 hours of uninterrupted high-fidelity audio from your headphones or Bluetooth device. The intuitive controls and APLS scroll wheel make navigating your music library easy. The line-out and earphone-out port provide flexibility in usage, such as in car auxiliary cable or a home audio system. The portable digital audio player also has DAC input, which can be used as a digital source after connecting to a USB amp, and can be connected to a mobile phone or computer as an external decoding amplifier. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.